Now that I've driven one the first time, I will always have an EV in my garage. Even though through all the gas cars, all the supercharged engines, twin turbos, this, that, I will always have an EV. Actually, my good friend, and he's in the audience right now. Where are you, Demonology? There you are. He drag races, high performance, twin turbo, 1,000, 1,500 horsepower cars, and his daily driver is a Tesla Model Y. So you're inhaling all those gas fumes. You have all the
sellout.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I don't talk to him anymore. But there's something called driver engagement. You're driving a manual car. You're taking everything in. But with EVs, it takes a lot of that away. You step on the accelerator pedal and you just go. It's quiet. It's efficient. Will I only have an EV in the garage? Never. I'll always have gas as well. But it changes your driving experience. It's quiet, it's efficient. I can't say enough good things about it.